welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. My name is Ann, for people who don't know it. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, just pretty much anything related to makeup, beauty, and stuff like that. Today we're going to be unboxing our first subscription of the year. It is actually the Ipsy Plus. I was very sad to see the Ipsy Ultimate go. I know we get the Glam Bag X next month, but at first I didn't like it, and then I grown to love it, and so I am going to miss it. It's like, I had my hair redone. I don't know how I feel about it yet, so it's like a whole lot lighter. And it's still got like a little bit of orange on top. I'm not really liking it, but it was double bleached like in 2 days, so I really don't want to do anything else to it right now. So Ipsy is the monthly subscription. They do have the Ipsy Glam Bag. Regular bag is $12 a month, 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes you will get a full size product in there, like a lipstick, a eyeliner, or sometimes like Orpha, like blushes, highlighters. I love when we get stuff like that. And then you always get a cute little bag. And then they have this one, $25 a month, 5 full-size products, and a drawstring bag. The next month will be the Glam Bag X. I think it's $50 a month. It's at 7 to 8 products, and that's all I know. Okay. So here is the bag. It's got Dream all over it. I didn't even turn like my ring light on. Okay, there we go. So it's just a blue bag that says Dream, and they started doing this a few months back, which these bags are pretty good size. Okay, so tell us a little bit about our Glam Bag X. One in February will have like Patrick Ta's like favorite stuff in it. So, and I think we're supposed to get a Huda Beauty palette. Like here's some of the stuff you can get. Look, I think I got too much light on now. I'm hoping I get the T-bar thing for your face. I love Huda Beauty. I'm wearing it today on my face. I think this is my new favorite purple palette. I love Bloodlust, but I do have like struggle with it, and you have to really like this one I didn't have no trouble, like especially on the outer edges. With this one, especially with Blood Queen, which I've actually hit pan on. Like when I'm darkening my crease, I'll have a lot of problems with that, and you'll look really spotty. I did not have that trouble, so this has been my go-to purple palette for a while. But I think the Huda Beauty palette that I bought is going to be like my new favorite one, because I think it done such a good job. Okay, and you didn't really tell what the theme is, but I'm guessing the theme's got something to do with Dream. Alright, no, here's another card. Dream It is the theme. Introducing refreshments, banish boring routines with our new membership to sparkle and clean face and body essentials. Member pricing starts at $5 a month, clean and 100% vegan ingredients, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. Visit their website to check it out. It's exclusive for Ipsy members only. Then, beauty revolutions for your son. I am a Libra. Go with the flow. Let your looks change with moods. Okay. And then get your full scope from Spill Sisters. Okay. We got some brushes. And these are from firmabeauty.com or Firma Beauty. Okay. So we got 2. They just look like blending brushes. To me, I can never have too many brushes because I hate cleaning my brushes. So these always come in handy. I like how sleek this one looks. The white with the like bronzy color. And it is the 201. It's like a flat blending. So I do like that. And this one is the 403. It's like a matte black on top. Then it's got this like piece. And it's not really like too fluffy. So I do like these. Love brushes. Then $1 Million Brows. This is the best brow toolkit ever. Professional quality in salon proven. Okay. Approved, not proven. Okay. So, I personally like $1 Million Brow stuff. Me and my brows do not get along. And really, the scissors, even though I've got this pink pair, I've got a black pair and a silver pair that's just like this. Then I have, like, these scissors. But I like my little scissors the best when I'm dealing with lashes and if I have to cut hair or something. But my husband likes to trim his goatee and he always steals mine. So, glad to have another pair. So, here is the spoolie and the eyebrow brush. It feels good. I like mine a little, denser so that, like, when I'm putting it on, it's not going to collapse. So, I do like that. And here is the scissors. They feel good. They sound like they cut good. Let me see. They're pretty sharp. And the last thing is a pair of tweezers. I don't know. I have like 100 pairs and I lose them all the time. So hopefully they pull good. That's like my biggest thing about tweezers is I cannot stand one that... Okay, it's getting in a little hairs. You guys can't see that, but it is. Okay, so I like that. No. We'll get it. Okay, so this is the Laura Geller New York Quench and Tint Hydrating Foundation. We're getting 1.76 ounces, which is 50 grams. It's a little bit over. Normally, we get 1 full ounce in a foundation. I got the color Light, which I am very light. And right now, like my summer colors are getting too dark for me. My light colors are too light for me. It's like nothing is going right with foundation. So, here she is. I think I need to turn this light off. Okay. So, it's made in China. It's good for 12 months. To use, apply a small amount to the face with fingertips, starting from the center of the face and blending outward. Repeat application until desired coverage achieved. I have been seeing, I don't use my fingers to put my foundation on. I've thought about it recently, but I do not do it. I use a brush, but 9 times out of 10, I'm going to use my beauty blender. Even if I use a brush, I will still use my beauty blender in the end to make sure I smooth everything out. But I've seen, like, people, like, going all in with their fingers. And sometimes, like, just, like, all their fingers are like, oh, yeah, I don't know about it. So, there she is. Did they say it was full coverage? It's hydrating. It's cleanse and tint. Quench your skin with an intensifying hydrating foundation with a wash of color. Coverage is weightless and refreshing as a splash of water leaves skin with a natural glow. So, really, to me, this sounds more like a summer time foundation. In the wintertime, we tend to, like, go like more for coverage. In the summertime, we tend to wear like less makeup and do like tint, more, tints and stuff like that. So I would think this is a summer foundation or a light day or someone who just doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup. But there it is. It looks really pretty. So I'll try that off on a day that I don't use a lot of makeup. So then we have Pixi by Petra. It's a hydrating milky serum. It's soothing serum, rose hip oil and aloe vera. We're getting 1 flow ounces, which is 30 milliliters. Okay, make sure I don't have this one before I open it. Okay. So then you put the dopper in it. It's like milky looking. So, looks, I don't know if I got any in the dopper. Put it over here where the foundation ain't. I don't really think I got enough, and that went somewhere. Okay. So there it is. It smells like rose. It smells really good. It feels good on the skin, but it is to hydrate. And right now, this time of year, I think that we all need a little extra hydration. And it is milky serum, and it looks milky. So I like that. Okay, so we're already to our last item. And this is by Autumn. This is Cheek Money. Cheek Money Swap and Glow Bronzer Contour Duo. It is 9 grams, which is 0.32 ounces. And it is good for 12 months. Now, I don't think I've used anything by them before. Maybe I pulled the one that said pulled. A dose of self-love. I like the packaging. It just says Autumn and a little silver and orange. Mood and vibes. Good. Oh, we already said good for me. Okay, it's got a little mirror. It says, I love you, say it back. Okay, then here it is. Normally, I don't think you're really supposed to. And there they are. That one's like, this one's really light. But I can use that color or this color. So I do like that. This is like a, can you guys hear that? It's like a little texture, not like raised up or anything. It's just got like a texture feel to it. I think it's really cute. Okay. And that is everything for our first bag of the year. And this is the first one I actually opened. I haven't sat down and really filmed this year. I've had like, I don't know, a lot going on. And I'm just like really at a point in my life where I'm saying like, I'm done with the bull crap and stuff like that. So it's like, I don't know, this year is going to be different for me. I'm tired of the same old stuff. We're probably going to do a sit down and like a get ready with me and talk. Like nothing really, but just catch up. And sometimes why I don't upload right, why I don't keep my schedule and stuff like that. And we're just probably going to do a sit down in the next couple of weeks and do a get ready with me. Besides that, I think this year has been doing really, really good. I'm feeling really confident, which I think I always had confidence. It's just sometimes I think that we let people drag us down. And I'm just tired of stuff like that. And I think I'm going to do what betters me from now on. But I guess that is it. If you guys would like to try Ipsy or any of their bags they have, I will leave their link in the bio. They do have add-ons. I did get add-ons this month, but it will be in my regular bag. But I'll leave the link down in the description box. And if there's anything else, just leave it in the comments below. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.